Hello everyone, this is Sharia. So in this lecture we are going to learn C tutorial or C programming. So here you can see our details are above below, like this course is named C programming, C for beginner, and author is Sharia Hussain, is me. Credit is goes to JavaPoint is an online platform to learn C program and other language much more. GitHub is Algo Science Academy, our organization name, where you can find the source code of this code. And this is a license called laser graphic general public license, or that means you can write it and modify it or sell it as a commercial anyway. Okay, and the last modified date is 13 January 2025. Okay, so in this lecture we are going to our first target to low level. So in this low level we must need to C program, like our C program functionality, and the another tutorial we also covered the assembly language and more and more deep assembly language like x86 architecture based assembly language. So further, let's start our today's tutorial is C programming for beginner. Okay, so first we can understand what is printf and scanf. So print, like something can we can print or show something our program to console, and scanf means take input in the console. So what is console? Console is nothing like a terminal or PowerShell your Windows operating system. Okay, this is a terminal format, or PowerShell or Bash in Linux or PowerShell in Windows. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so let's start our program. So here in this tutorial we are solve program and learn C program. Okay, so first we can see this is called header file hash include studio.h. What is a header file? First we can see and run our program. First we are going to run our program. Let's see what is the output. So here is our output. So and it says enter a number. Call. Here you can see the field that has a string and it's say enter a number. Okay, we are enter a number and the number are goes to here is number. Okay, first we run this everything and then we can understand everything of the code. Okay, first enter a number, call 10, and here you can see the result is 1000. Okay, so let's define step by step our code. First we need a header file called studio.h. Then we need our main function, that is our main god function or povo function to execute our all the code. Okay, so here's the function called main function. Okay, so in this main function we also define what is the type of this main function. Okay, the type of this main function is integer. Okay, in below we also discuss integer and other type. Okay, so what is, so in this integer type we are find in main. Okay, so if we define any integer, that our program lastly we can define return 0. If we here are add void, we not need any return 0. That something like void is not a return type. Okay, void has no any return type. You can must be understand that void has no any return type. But if we write a return type in integer, it has also a return that is 0. Okay, so here we can take a number called integer and we are printing enter the number and scan the number. Okay, so what is the ampersand called sign? Okay, why we need a ampersand in number? So if I very first tell this is a low level language, so in low level language we must be address it to the memory or memory address. So this is called our memory address to the number. And what is the %d is a format specifier. In below we also discuss the format specifier. So in the integer we need a format specifier called %d. Okay, and this is right for a integer. Okay, so then we write print and call the string cube number is %d. Why we need a %d? To print the result. Okay, to print the result we need a %d also. Okay, and here the scanf we also need a format specifier called %d in integer. Okay, so this is a our mathematical term is 3 time of number. Okay, so if we give a 10 number, it will be the output of 1000. Okay, if we give the any other number, it will be the 3 time of the those number. Okay, let's finish our little code and save it. Sorry, save it. Okay, now we are go another program. Okay, let's define and understand it. What is this? So first, this is called header file and also a main, and the return type is integer. Okay, what happened? Okay, okay, this is another C program. So here we can add integer x equals 0, y equals 0, and result equals 0. Okay, this is our declaration section. Okay, here we can declare our code. Then this is our main function. This is the return type. We must need these things, like 3 things, like header, main, return type, or the code. Okay, here you can see the print that we print something like console, enter the number, and %d. Why %d? You can see x is integer, y is integer, and result also an integer. Okay, that's why we need a format specifier %d, and ampersand. Okay, the result is x plus y. If we are perform the result x plus y in this section, that will be the same answer like this. Okay, so if we run this, what will be the output? Enter the first number. Okay, first number is 10, and enter the second number is 30. Okay, the sum of the number is 30. Okay, now here our documentation section or our description section. We are understand what is variable and other things. Okay, so let's understand what is variable. First we understand what is variable. Okay, so I can zoom it to here. Okay, so it is the identifier for the variable. Okay, like identifier is the called variable, the name you give to the variable to access its value, like a name that accesses a variable to the value in the program. The variable name must follow the specific rules. So when we declare any identifier called variable in your program, that must be a specific rules, like start with a letter, also underscore, and consisting of a letter, digit, and underscore. Okay, these are the thing you can follow when you identify or declare any variable in your program. Okay, so here are some of the rules that you can perform your code, like rules of the define variable. In C, variable must follow a few rules to validate. The following are the rules naming variable in C. Just okay, the allowed character. What type of character are allow? So variable name must be include uppercase or lowercase. You can add any uppercase letter or lowercase letter, digit and underscore. You can start with uppercase, lowercase, digit and underscore. This is a allow character. Okay, they must start a letter also and underscore. Like if you define any variable, it must be or it should be start with a letter called like x, x, lowercase y, or must be a letter uppercase or lowercase or underscore. That three things you can perform it: underscore, uppercase or lowercase. Next, case sensitivity. Okay, C is a case sensitive programming language. It means the uppercase and lowercase letter are considered and distinguished. I think you can understand it. What is case sensitive? For example, here we can see the example like my bar and my bar is like a same, but in C program it are different, like a different functionality or different variable. My bar, lowercase my, and uppercase bar and uppercase my. These two things are different in C program. Okay. Keyword. Most important that you cannot be type or declare any keyword as a variable. Okay, variable name cannot be the same of C keyword. Okay, this is a need and this is very much important that you cannot be write any variable name like a keyword. Okay, as have a special meaning of the language. Okay, for example, you cannot use int, float, char, for, while, etc. as a variable. Okay, special character. Okay, variable name cannot be contain space. Okay, the word or alphabet not have any space or special character, like this type of special character not using any variable or identifier call this all the character. Okay, so let understand what are the example like int age. This is another identifier or variable. Float, salary, this is also right and this is also right. Char, character type. Char, underscore status, this is also right. Double, average underscore score, this is also right. And a student count, this is also right. Okay, so here our short form of this whole text that of variable in C. There are many type of variable in C. Local variable. So what are the type of our variable? Like local variable, global variable, static variable, or use static keyword. Automatic variable, use auto keyword. External variable and use external keyword. Okay, let's first understand what are those. Okay, so what is local variable? Okay, what is local variable? What is global variable? Okay, so first understand this. So here you can see this is our code. Okay, this is our code. First understand local variable, then understand global variable. Okay, so let's understand our local and global variable. This is our main function, open and closing section, and this is int number. So So in the main function inside, which variable are called local. If we declare int number as our main function outside, like here int number, okay, this is called global. Okay, here the short understand our local and global. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's understand what is static and what is start and what is auto. Okay, so this is one kind of variable, like if we start our keyword static, auto, extern. What is extern mean? That when we create a library, and those library we can need any variable, this our main program, that we can externally connected to the variable that we are externally coming to the variable, when then we create and add this keyword in called extern. And auto is another thing. This automatic or static means static. Okay, okay, now here you can see our next section is data type. What is data type? Okay, so here you can see our data type in C. Four type of data type. One is basic, one is derived, and one is enumeration, and one is void. Okay, so basic data type, derived data type, enumeration data type, and void data type. Okay, so here the our type and data type. Okay, so basic data type. What is the basic data type? Basic data type are integer, character, float, double. Okay, and derived data type. What are the derived data type? So derived data type, that means array, pointer, structure, and union. We also understand what is those things. Okay, derived data type. And enumeration is the enum like same type data. And void is also a data type, is no return type of data type. Okay, let's go. Here are the data type and memory size and the range. Okay, I can zoom it. Okay, so here are the our data type, memory size, and range. Okay, so the character data type is a 1 byte, and here is the range. Sorry, character. Okay, and this is the signed character and unsigned character. This not a requirement for this course. And short character, this is not a requirement. And int. Okay, int is a two type. Here you can see the range, and short integer and long integer. Float is a 4 byte, double is a, sorry, it has mistake, double is 8 byte, also long as a 8 byte. Okay, if I not any wrong. Okay, 8 byte data type memory. Okay, is a double and long. Then here we can see the 33, our official C programming keyword. So this keyword you cannot use the variable call identifier. Okay, so first we can see what is the keyword, and every keyword we can see every code. Every keyword has every separate code in our course, like here you can see. So if we understand all of the 33 keyword, then we can finish our all journey. Okay, this is very much easier. Okay, so here you can see first auto, break, case, char, character, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extern, follow, plot, for, go to, if, it, long, register, this, call a register, return, short, sign, sizer, static, stuck, switch, type diff, union, unsigned, void, volatile, and while. Okay, so let's start. Our first code is auto. Okay, what is auto? We can understand. So you can see is one type of local variable. We first understand what is local variable. Okay, so here you can see our main function and our header file. This header file we type is in count. What is the count number is 10, and we also call is auto. Okay, like automatic and auto, that's our local variable. Like, okay, and you can see the print is number, print in number 10, also count. Okay, where is the count? Also here we can see the auto section. This is a auto section, like auto in count 5 and print inner count, and here we can see another, it is print count and count. Okay, if we run this, so here the code error. Just so let's define our or debug our error and what is this, so we can understand this. Okay, if we close third bracket, okay, or curly brace, and define is at auto, and here you can see we cannot it's called unmutable. We cannot define separate of time in count and count two time. We cannot separately define count in more of the two time or three time. It's so how we can fix it? It's a count previously defined here. If we like here, if we call globally it count here, it globally, okay, that time our count is like error, that we can understand that whenever mutable in auto, so if we cross this auto, here you can see no any change. Okay, so how to find this error and how we solve it? First we remove our auto and see. So this is our auto tutorial. So first we did what we did, call for curly brace. Okay, okay, so here you can see when we curly brace this, it's solve the error. So you can understand how we solve this error. Okay, how we solve this error? If we move it, or if we define it, Here you can see our total code is count 10 and inner count is 5 and inner count is 10. Okay, so here you can see our curly brace is most important to solve this question, solve this problem. Also we are found the global variable state like int count. Okay, our problem is solved. Okay, that's fine. Okay, thus we can define multi-time same variable. So in this error or debug you can understand that in auto section we can, or auto keyword, we can define multiple of time same variable in a same program. Like this is a main same program and this is a, sorry, this is our nested loop, nested in auto. Okay, so this is finished and we understand our next code break, which is break. Okay, so this is a header file that are same and this is our main program and this is a reader type. Okay, this is our code. So what is for is a loop called condition loop, or here you can see how we can initialize it or increment it and decrement it or conditionalize it. Then here you can see our int is 0, and what time of the loop is going to start and finish it called 10 time and less than 10 time. Here you can see we are increasing it if this is a condition. If I or our main variable is equal or equal to 5, then it is break and the rest are repeat. Okay, so in this code we can understand that I is going to make increase 0 to 10 instead of 5. Like this is a call I is 0, 0, 1, 2 and 4 and 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so here you can see if we we are basic. Okay, like this code are like 0 to 4 and that 5 is a break. Okay, this is a break and this break we are printing here. So you can see our code is 0 to 4. If we, sorry, I have a previous mistake that if we okay, I understand what is I am telling that if we here is 5 and call is continue, then we have the same result that I told you. Okay, like if I here say continue, that it is like 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, go too fast. Okay, this is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we also the step of continue also break it later. Okay, this is our code, it called break. Also where we can see the break is we can see the switch condition. In switchable condition we also see the break, also continue. Okay, okay, this is a switch break condition. or case keyword. Okay, so here you can see the studio.h our header file, and it is our main, and it is our choice is a variable called integer type, and choice is started with 2. Okay, so our switch has start with 2. If our case 1, if our case 1 print use choice 1 break, if case 2 like our case is 2, so you can see your choice is 2 and rest invalid. Okay, so first you can see our printing that your choice is 2. Okay, if we here to write any of the or number like uppercase in 2, so here you can see the our answer is invalid choice. Okay, that's fine. What is the error? Okay, what is the error? Okay, invalid choice. Okay, here you can see the invalid choice. Okay, invalid choice. But if we here write one and save it, then you can see your choice is one. So if we conditionalize multiple way any program and using C, this can be great choice for you. Okay, so our next program is char. So this is a simple program called char or character. So here you can see integer main and char create a. So why we can here quote single quote and double quote. What is the single quote and double quote? So if we write any string we can double quote it, and if we write any character that time we can use the single quote. Okay, so this what is the percent C? This is called formatted specifier for character. Okay, C for character first letter. Okay, and you can see the constant. Okay, what is a constant? Constant call our runtime declaration or our compile time declaration that it never will change. Also you can find this is a local variable, but if we cut it, okay, cut it and set it a global variable, that will be the fine, that the same answer goes to our program. If we run it, you can see our max number is 100. So what is the difference? Here you can see when we declare a constant, this is a globally declare everywhere in this same file, not other file, in this same file. Okay, so here you can see they undo our code and okay, okay, fine. So continue, we see the same code. I can talk you here you can see the continue, the answer is, we also know 1 2 3 4 and 6 7. Okay, what is the error? Linking error. What is the linking error? Okay, why is that linking error? Let's run it again. Okay, fine. Okay, here you go. We clean up and fresh code. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9. Okay, this is our code. So what will be default? It also the same code. What is will be the default? So default are like that. If we failed our choice, that 3 is not our choice, that we can understand. We can print our default code. Okay, so let understand do. Okay, this is a header file, it is our main file, this is the return type. And if our I is 0, do, this is a conditional loop, do print this I and increase it, and whenever it goes to less than 5. Okay, so what will be the answer? Answer will be the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's understand. Okay, again we have a error last time. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the answer will be the 4, but that first you can print anything, then we can increase, and then we go on loop. Okay, this is the characteristics of do while. Double, this is also a type. Okay, we know that. And else, okay, this is also a conditional loop, sorry, condition, not loop. Okay, so if our age is greater equal 18, that we can print it that you are adult. And if our not the condition is satisfied, if not the condition is satisfied, then we can print it that you are not adult. That's a simply question. You can run it and see. Okay, we first save it and run it, then you are adult. Okay, because your age is 18 plus. Okay, okay, we are see the enum. Okay, so what are the enum? Enum are those that same data type, same data type. Okay, same data type in same location, or call different location also. You can see the same data type in many variable. Okay, same data type, that this all that are enum type. Okay, enum is also a type. Okay, so here you can see it's a global variable. Okay, because it's the outside of our main function. Okay, when we see anything like our outside of the main function, we also call it global variable. Okay, then day is a day, then enum type days, and days under this thing. If our day is today, if day is our today, we and today is Thursday, that we can today's number, today's number and today. Okay, today's number means Thursday. What is the number of the Thursday? Here is the indexes. Indexes means 0, 1, 2, 3, and that's it. And so what is the position? Position call. Position are started for 1 and indexes are started for 0. If we see our Thursday 3, also you can see this here is 3. So the answer is will be 3. Okay. So today the day number is 1. Sorry. So why is 1? 0, 1. Oh, sorry. This is a Tuesday. But I can understand this Thursday. So if we see our, sorry, Thursday, sorry, Thursday, and save it, the answer will be the 3. Okay, okay, the answer will be 3. Okay, our next code, extract. Okay, So let's understand the extract keyword. What is this and why you can use it? So here you can see this is integer global variable. Like you can assume it like any other file or any other header file or other location that is called global file. In this global file, if we use it, we also type is integer global and also extra. Then we can use it like our local variable called integer main and global. So here you can see we not any define any data type, because it's also we know that it is an external and integer data type. Okay, so if we run this, our answer will be the our answer will be the 10. Okay, our global variable is 10. Okay, okay, let's understand for. So here you can see our for condition, for loop. So this is our increment, this is our declaration, this is our condition, this is our increment, this is our for loop. Okay, so here our code, and this is our printing section, and this is also a printing section. Okay, here is the go to statement. Okay, here is the go to statement. Okay, let's find our go to condition. Okay, so the for loop point start our ending our I is get I is equal 5, then our go to is in, and here you can see print also start and end, but you can run it. Okay, first save it and run it. Here you can see our bunch of error this code. First we our save it and run it. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 and loop it. Okay, what is this? It will be the end of 0 1 2 3 and the I, and also in our loop it. Okay, so we also we also declare the if condition also a register. This is work as a this will also we also understand the assembly language why do we tell, and this is also return type as the same, and size of. Okay, go to the size of. Okay, if we run it, that our size of is one byte. What is this? Okay, size of means what is the size of our data type. Okay, if we here are call like uh, long uh, long long not double data type. Okay, double. It will be the answer is 8. Okay, this is our 8. So if we need any size of our data type, that we can use it to our size of. Also it has many of the use case. We also find this through our tutorial. Okay, static. Okay, so void increment static in count 0 and count plus plus and print count this. Okay, what will be the our answer? So here you can see the void integer called void int and static int. Okay, this is a static and counter plus plus and print, and we run our, this is also a function called increment function. This is a function, okay, and this is a static function that this count is also not any means we can define it locally, not any global. If we hit it global, it has a error or it not defined. That if we anything like truly locally, then we can use it static. Like, so if the answer is like 0 1 2 3, okay, if we say it 1 2 3 4, okay, here you can see the stack. This is also one type. This is a string, and stack is another type that has different data type in one case, like char, integer, in stack, and person is, and this is called a student. We can inherit the person to student, and steer string c pi or is string. You can see student dot name dot sort and student. Okay, this is another another example for stack, and this is also a switch. We know that this is the type div. Also, if we run this type div, here you can see our type is 95. Here you can see our, we define is to our type div, and this is the union. This is also a union, that our different same data type called union and volatile, and also while we also see. Okay, let understand what is keyword and what is identifier. Okay, let understand what is keyword and what is identifier. So keyword is a predefined that word, predefined word, and the identifier is a user defined word. It must be in keyword it must be written in lowercase, or identifier both lowercase and uppercase. And keyword, it means predefined in C compiler, and it means not defined in C compiler, or user can define it. It does not contain the underscore content, and identifier also contain the underscore content. Okay, this is our main four thing of keyword and identifier difference. Okay, here we can see some of our operator called arithmetic, relational, shift, operate, logical, bitwise, ternary, and assign, and mice. Okay, so here you can see category, operator, and associability. Okay, so here you can see what our associability. You can pause it and see it, how you can associability or write to the associate. And here you can see the everything called assignment, conditional, logical, bitwise, and relational, shape, additive. Okay, so here you can see our format specifier. %d or %i is int, and %u is, if we zoom it, %d or %i is int, %u is unsigned int, %f is float, %c is char, and lf is our table. Okay, and this section, in this section we are going to learn function. Okay, our tutorial also have finished. Okay, in this section we also find the what is function. Okay, so how do we have a this side called parenthesis. We also define it as a function, like if we print it like hello, if we cut it and run it like hello javascript, sorry, hello java point, like this is a call a function print name. This is a print function and we can void into the print name. Okay, and this is our another function. Okay, so here is our main function and this is our ending function. So why this error? If we cut the error, we also type is it, and also here we can type return 0. Okay, if we write this, it has no any error and the function is, sorry, the code is also. So if we enter any number or 10, energy, okay, cut it and run it. Going to calculate two number. Okay, we just one. This has a time consume. Okay, so we can understand what is this. So first we create a main function called print, main, and print the this going to calculate the sum to number, and we create outside our main in some function called a sum it a b and print it and logic our build, and we also declare is our global and we also declare is local. Okay, we also use it. Okay, if we cut it and say the void, okay, we cut it, run it, and type it 10. Nothing could be happened, nothing is happened. Why this? I think it has something called error. Okay, let's go our second code. This will be our another code. Okay, and if we run it, the answer is coming through. Okay, this is our same code. Okay, so this will be your case study that you can study it and find me the question if you can understand or not understand. Okay, we go to our main topic called array. Okay, let's go to the array. So in the array you can see we use third bracket and set it in 5. Also you can see the indexes called 0 1 2 3, and we can define our indexes in 80 70. Also you can write it like you can write it like a curly brace, like you can curly brace if you like it. This it also same as this. Okay, here you can see our for loop and print. If we print it, what will be happen? It will be the happen to print our code. Okay, first save it. First save it and then run it. Okay, this is code. Okay, this is another system. We can define array like C. This is the easiest way of this code. This is the answer is as like a same. Okay, and here some of the advanced code you can understand it and write it through your knowledge and our two-dimensional and one-dimensional. We can see. So first we can understand what is this. So here you can see our nested here is a loop or the nested loop, and this is the nested if. Okay, first we can see our integer array, and this is a loop, and this is a another loop call, and we can define these two things like if I is greater than j, it will be the throw this and short it. Okay, this is a listed short, and if we short it like a 7 9 10 12 these things. Okay, throw this. So you can see we short it lowercase to uppercase like 7 9 10, and that is 23 7 9 10 12 and so on. Okay, so here is the video of our today's class. I think you can enjoy it, and I know you have some of the question how you might be not understand what I say in every lecture. So I can request you can put the comment and ask the question if you don't understand, and take love Bangladesh, love you all, and thank you. Allah Hafiz.